Hello and welcome back to your own channel Indian Defense Analysis, where we bring to you all the latest development happening in the defense sector. Necessity is the mother of invention, and it quite suits in the context of our defense forces. With failing infiltration bid across LOC, Pakistan has restored to more and more drone warfare. The drone attack on Jammu airbase was one such example. Drones are turning out to be new face of terror. It is therefore has become equally important for our armed forces to be better prepared with anti-drone system. For Army, Air Force to Navy, all has signed multiple contracts for anti-drone system from various private firms and PSUs. However, Army has gone a step ahead in reinventing its existing system and turning them into a drone killer. Recently, we have reported how Indian Army has converted INSAS rifles into a drone hard kill weapon. Now, it is being reported by India Today that Indian Army has converted its World War II era vintage L-70 gun into a drone killer. You can call it as a martini of old and new technology. The Army Air Defense Corps has started working on this project almost a year ago along with Hyderabad-based private firm Gen Technology Limited. It is the same company with which Air Force has placed an order worth 150 crore for anti-drone system this year. The L-70 gun has been integrated with JATS or Gen anti-drone system to locate, track and neutralize the drones. The L-70 is a 40 caliber anti-aircraft gun designed and manufactured by famous company Bofors. JATS consist of multi-sensors such as radio frequency based drone detector RFDD, which detects the drone using radio frequency communication between drone and its ground control center GCC. Video based drone identification and tracking VDIT. It is a day and night camera sensor that are mounted on automatic servo based positioning system which receives the command from the position of radio frequency based drone detector. Once positioned in the direction of interest, it captures video and images of drone. VDIT is capable of capturing and tracking the video up to a range of 3 km. Video feeds are then given to the software module and video processing algorithm in the software automatically confirms the presence of drone and imitate tracking. Radar detection of autonomous drone flying without a link between drone and operator using radio frequency based drone detector is not possible. Radar forms the best choice to detect such a threat. An X-band 3D radar detects the drone as per maximum range chosen and provides precise data about the target coordinates. Radar provides both azimuth and elevation data of the drone. The feeds from the radar is integrated to Data Fusion Center for effective remote monitoring of the threat. Data Fusion and Command Control Center DFCC. Data from RFDD, VDIT and radar is integrated at the command center which provides the complete picture of detected threat or drone. Drone Radio Frequency Jammer DRFJ, capable to disable the link between drone and its controller. Hard kill. Kinetic based kill and net based drone catchers are two options available in hard kill. Kinetic based kill neutralization is supplied with a gun which can auto align to the target and fire the bullet against the target to destroy the same physically. This is where L-70 guns come into the picture. Once radio frequency based drone detector detects the radio frequency of drone, it sends the data to the VDIT which then aligns its camera towards the drone and approximates its range and provides the coordinate to L-70 gun. Once the gun receives the coordinate, it aligns itself to the target, allowing the operator to lock and fire on the target. 40 cell uses proximity fuse which improves its kill probability. Upon exploding, it creates thousands of tungsten fragments which can not only neutralize the drone in proximity but can be very effective solution against swarm of drones. This system has been tested multiple times and has been able to neutralize the target almost 500 meters away. Jets, has a soft kill option available for jamming the drone signal from almost 10-kilometer distance. This is very innovative step by Army. And on similar line, the Soviet era ZSU-23 guns can also be converted into drones hunter. Such upgrade may cost up to 6 to 8 crore, which is still economical option. Indian Army has currently 1180 L-70 guns in service, which can provide ample of anti-drone system to cover the border areas of LOC and LAC. This was today's update. Please let us know what is your view about these in comment section. Feel free to post your comments and suggestions on any topic related to defense sector on which you want to hear from us. With this, I would like to say goodbye and Jai Hind friends. Please like and subscribe our channel if you have not done already. We will soon back with more interesting and amazing development happening in the defense sector.